Hi, I'm Jake. I'm a self-taught senior software developer, and this video series is for all the people like me who are interested in software development but may not know anything about the field. A little bit about me. As I said, I'm a self-taught dev. I originally was a psychology major and graduated from Rutgers, the State University of New Jersey. After I graduated, I realized that my career prospects were not too good, just to say the least. I had a really good GPA, but I still had trouble getting businesses to even give me a call back. It was really difficult for me to get my foot in the door, and I was only able to get low-paying sales jobs that did not interest me at all. I knew that if I was going to continue down this path in my career, I would be very unhappy later in life. So I decided I needed to make a change. I chose to explore coding since I've been interested in computers since I was a child. The first time I tried to teach myself to program was in 2015, but it wouldn't be until the third time that I would succeed and get the skills needed to get a job at a Fortune 500 company. And since then, I've been eating, sleeping, and breathing software development. It's what I was put on this earth to do. But I remember what it was like to try to teach myself. I dealt with a lot of self-doubt, confusion, and uncertainty about what the correct path was to get to my goals. Now that I've been in the industry for a while, I've decided to make this video series to help people that were just like me. If you are unhappy with your current career and want to, or you need to make a change, then this video series is for you. If you're more of a casual student and just want to explore an interest, that's fine too. I've made this video series to provide concise, accurate information, as well as to be a step-by-step guide on how to build projects based on what you learn. These projects will advance you in your JavaScript programming skills and be good resume builders if you do want to get a job in this field. I have multiple goals to accomplish in this video series. In general, I'm a very curious person. I always like to know why and what, and I personally enjoy getting down into the nitty-gritty details of how everything works. However, when I was studying, I could not find many resources that satisfied this desire in a clear, concise manner. So my first goal for this video series is 1. To teach you foundational computer science / JavaScript concepts in a streamlined manner, but go into enough depth to answer even the most curious person's questions. Now that's the first goal. When I was teaching myself to code, I spent money on courses for skills that I didn't need, and I spent too much time on certain skills that were not a good return on investment. So my second goal for this video series is to provide you with a structured curriculum that will give you the knowledge that you need and will be a good return on investment. Finally, this video series will begin at the very beginning. It's tailored to people who don't know anything about computer science, JavaScript, or how programming works. It's for people that want to build a skill set in order to change their career. So my third goal for this video series is to build projects that will give you confidence in your skills and which you can put onto a resume for potential employers. And that covers the goals of this course. As I go along and I make these videos, please like, subscribe, and comment to provide feedback. I will continue to put out videos as long as there is interest. It might sound a little bit cheesy, but I really hope you decide to take the first steps on this journey of self-discovery with me. When I made the decision to explore this field, it ended up changing my life. Back then, I didn't have a guide when I needed one, but now that I have the opportunity to help people, I would like to be yours. I hope you enjoy the content to come, and I hope you learn a lot from this video series. See you in the comment section.